If you want to change message tone on Motorola Edge 70 Pro, first of all, we can open the settings. Then over here in settings, we're going to scroll down a little bit, and first we can go to sound and vibration. And then in here, you should be able to find the default notification sound. So you can change the notification sound in order to change the message tone, because message tone is a part of notification sounds, of course. So if you tap on any of these options, then of course you should have a little preview of that sound, and if you like it, then of course you can just press OK to set it up. Now what you can also do is you can go to notifications in settings and choose app notifications. Then in here you can find messages, and in case you cannot find in here, tap on most recent and switch to all apps, and then you should be able to find messages app. Now once you go over here, you should be able to find incoming messages, so you can select that option. And then here we have the sound option, which by default is the same sound that you set for notification sound, as even it is selected over here, but you can choose something separately. So you can just choose another sound that should be used for that specific thing. You can press OK, and that is pretty much it. So now if you receive a new message, then that selected sound is going to be played. Leave a like and subscribe.